Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook black screen on iPhone. So fix number one, so close the Facebook app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open your recent apps. Find Facebook and swipe it away to close it. Once it's closed, open Facebook again and check if it's working. Next, fix number two is to switch your internet connection. So close Facebook and open your settings. Then go to Wi-Fi, turn it off, then select cellular or mobile data and make sure it's enabled. Now open Facebook again and test it. Fix number three is to clear Facebook cache. So if you're using Android, open your settings, then go to apps, find Facebook, then select storage and tap clear cache on Android. So this removes temporary files that could be causing Facebook to load incorrectly. If you're using iPhone, you can skip this step and move on to the next fix. So if you're using iPhone, open settings, scroll down and go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down and open Facebook, tap offload app, confirm it. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Tap reinstall app and wait for it to finish. So once this is done, open Facebook again and test if it's working. That's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.